Hello, welcome back dear all. Today I will give you the basic introduction of the ArcGIS Pro. Basically, I'm using the ArcGIS Pro and giving you the basic introduction of all these tabs. The first one is the map tab, then insert tab, analysis, view, edit, imagery, and the share. These are the tabs that are available here. First, I am going to discuss about the map tab. Here you give the option cut, copy the path, and the paste option available here. That is a clipboard. Then this is the navigation tool here. Here you can click here and drag and explore the several variables in your map. So this one is the explore tab. The next one, this tool is named as a full extent tool. When you are in your layout view, you can click here to see your full extent, just like I'm clicking here, and it will give the full extent of the data frame or the layer that is loading here. The second tool is about to fix the zoom in and the zoom out here. In this way I can zoom in, and in this way I can zoom out. These are two tools available here. This one is a previous extent. Basically, when you click here, it will give you the previous extent. Then you click here, it will give you the next extent. So it just worked like a undo and redo. This is basically the bookmark. If you want to add any bookmark, you can add from here. You can click here and click on a new bookmark and type here bookmark 1 and okay, that is your bookmark is saved. When you click here, you will appear this bookmark here. And this is the go to XY point. Here you need to input your latitude. Here you need to input your latitude here, and there is the longitude is input here. Just like that, I'm copying the latitude of some place and paste here and check out how it is a work. So for this purpose, I'm going to the Google Maps. So here I'm going to copy the latitude and the longitude of any place. Okay, I'm going to Dallas. Okay, I'm going to copy the latitude and longitude from here and click here to paste it. This is about okay. This one is latitude and this one is longitude. When you click on enter button, it will be appear here. This is the, you can see is that the Dallas floodway is here. When you click here again, it will also mark the location, just like this. You can comparison it. It is the same place as I copy the lat and long. In this way, this is go to XYZ is work. If you want to add any base map for different purposes, the online base map is available here. These are all base maps. If you want to add any type of the base map, this is a basically satellite imagery map. Okay, it takes a little bit time in a loading, but you don't need to worry about it. So it is loaded just now. It is a online maps all available here, and you can explore it, and according to your need you can add the maps here. But I suggest you have to different layer of a map, and this tool is for adding some data, is named as add data on a map. If you want to add any data, then you just click on this button, and data from path XY to point data, route event, query layer, subgroup types, and these are all functions available here. Extract location, if you have any specific path or URL, you have to click here and paste your path here. Then it is added and data is exported and data is imported on your software. If you want to add your data from your local drive, you just click on the databases and or where your data is having, just like that. My data is GIS, and here is my different layers. I'm going to add this data. Okay, I'm going to add the road network data. Okay, these are the road network data is added here. Zoom to layer simply. Okay, you can see is that your background layer is loaded and your data is added. By using this button, I'm added the data. Okay, you can turn off this layer, also this and this layer, turn off this layer. This is your line data that I am added here. This is your all road network data. In this way you can add your data by from here. Okay, the next tab is about to add graphic layers. When you click here, it is add the graphic layers too. Okay, the next tab is about to selection tab. Here you find the one button is named select. Here different are available: rectangle, polygon, lasso, circle, line, trace. So you need to select a circle always. For example, I want to select this line. I'm just click here and the line is selected, and I want to select this one, and in this way I'm doing a selections by using this tab is a selection tab. If you want to select on the base of attribute, you need to click here, select by attribute. Here you need to input the file that I'm loaded here is the roads. Then what are the field on which base you want to select. I want to select on the base of the name is equal to these are all values available here on the basis I'm which going to select it. So if I'm going to choose any other, for example one way, then 0 or 1, I'm going to select 1, then click on OK button. It takes a little bit time and all one-way roads are selected in on my map. You can see is that these are all roads are selected on the base of selection I attribute. Now I want to export this data. I'm just click here and go to the data, then export features, and just click on OK button. Okay, the one-way roads are exported here. You can go on uncheck this one and you can see these are all one-way roads are exported. Okay, the next one is about to select by location. How to work it, you just need to input here roads exported, you need to check it, then remove this layer. Okay, now we are going to talk about the select by location. Here you need to input your data roads, and this is a distance. You can change the unit, that is degree, decimal, points, feet, inches, all available here. And no need to change these things. Simply you can select location on the basis of the roads, and just you need to OK button and your selection will be applied. The next one is about to measure tool. The measure distance, measure area, measure features, measure direction distance, measure offset, and the measure angles. So first I'm going to give you the introduction about the measure distance. So for example, I want to measure the distance from here to here. This road distance, how to measure here, you need to select the planar, then the all unit available here. If you want to metric, mile, feet, and I want to measure in meters, for example, I'm just click here. You see that these are all appearing here. The segment 1, segment 2, path, and the net distance is here. So I'm going to check it, what is the length of this road to that point. Okay, these are all segments of appearing here in meters, and this is the total net distance. You can see here that is about 1.8 meters, 1.8801 meters. It is about 1.8 kilometer, 1.8 kilometers. I'm right. Then this is the in kilometers. That is about, okay, if you hear, then you can see that that is 1.8 kilometer. Double tap here. Now you can see 1.8 kilometers. If you want to see in miles, then it will be updated according to the miles. So here you can measure the area also in units, different square kilometer, square feet, square yard, square acre, square kilometer. So in this way you can measure the area just like this. And this is the sum, that is about 6678 square kilometer. Okay, this one is about to layer search or search. Here you need to search anything, and here you need to search the any layer that is available. So the next one is infographic, and this is the conversion coordinate conversion tool. Here you can convert your coordinate into the different type of the formats, and here you need to import your coordinate from where your local drive was available in your coordinates. And this is about the labeling tool, and the first one is about to push labeling, and this tool is about to view unplaced, and this tool is about to different priorities, weight, abbreviations, directory numbering, and the summary. And this is about to the log tool here. Then this is the convert label to animations, convert label to graphics. This is the complete overview of the map tab. Okay, the next tab is about the insert tab. Here you can first see that the add any new map, new global scene, new location scenes, new street maps, and the new base map. Now I'm going to add the new local scene. It is a very heavy layer, so it takes a time in loading. I'm going to remove these two layers when this layer is going to be added, until we're going to discuss about the new layout and what are these things, and these are all what are things here in our insert tab. Okay, I think so our scene layer is loaded. It gives the 3D layers, and these are one are 2D layers. Okay, now I'm going to remove these layers. This is our map layer, and this is our scene layer. So here I'm going to show you the 3D features. Okay, where is the USA? Due to processing the two layer, it takes a little bit time. This one is, we're going to zoom here. Okay, you can check it now simply on this tab, new map. Then the next tab is about the new layout. These are all layout available here. This one is a letter size, and this one is architectural A54, and their measurements is also available here. You can simply select it, your layout. When you click here, your layout is appearing here. In our upcoming videos, we are also discuss about the layout, how to make the layout in this ArcGIS Pro. So the next one is about to new report. From here you can import the report, and this is about the new notes book. Yeah, add notebook, add notes, and the new notes. This is about the toolbox. When you click here, add tool, new tools, new Python toolbox, this is available here. And if you had any script in Python, you can add it. You can simply click here and select your script and save it. And then is about the connection with databases, servers, locators, or the items. Here you click, you can see is that add database, new file geodatabase. You can also create your new file geodatabase from here, and then connect your GDB, all the other things. And these are the servers. If you have any server and connect any server, then click here on add button, you can add the server. So these are all parameters, WFS, WMS, and available here. The cloud storage is about the add cloud storage connection, new cloud storage connection, new BMI connection, new workflow basic connection, statistics data collection. You can see that these are all options available in this connection folder. And this one is the add folder button. You can add any folder. Want to add any folder, then you can add it from here. Okay, the next one is about the analysis. Oh no, sorry. Oh, we are going to layer templates. These are all layer templates available here. If you want to choose this one, it will add within a few seconds. That is bright map nodes template. Okay, then you can see that the template is added here. These are the template. I'm going to remove it. Okay, next one is about to link any chart connection. Add the first entity type. You can choose just like FID, then enter name for it, ID. Okay. circles, ellipses, rings, and the distance calculation. Tool, Python notebook, and this is the environment. I'm going to give you the little bit introduction regarding the model builder tool. So you just need to click here, and here you can add the different tools. Let's suppose I'm going to add buffer. Okay, we need to remove this one from here. Okay, this one is the model builder. Here you need to see this is the tab open when you click on model builder. This one is a new model builder tool. Then save your model builder tool, then open your tool from here and auto save properties. If you want to any tool, you can click here and search a tool such as a buffer tool. Okay, this is a buffer 3D buffer. I'm just click here and drag it here, and in this way I want to add one more tool such as a different 3D tool, and I'm going to create it here just like this. And then you need to make any connection between them. Then this is the validate button, run button, and the intermediate buttons. And this is the auto layout button. This is the, you can see that the layout is completely changed when I click on auto layout just like this. And in this way you can connect it. Let's output with this tool, input future. Okay, now I'm going to auto correct it. Okay, this way it is completely auto corrected. And click on validate button, then run your tool if you want your model is, and run. No, none of the process are ready to run. So first you need to input any layer here, then you are able to run it. Let's suppose I'm going to give this layer here, then here input feature, then validate it, then run it. Okay, we're going to remove the connection with them, just run now. Okay, in this way you can use your tool such as roads as a parameter. Then this one is create label, rename, group, cut, union, copy, select. All options are available here. After creating this tool, you can save it from this button. Okay, the next is about to close it and come back here. This one is a Python. When you click here, the new tab is open here. It is a Python kernel initializing. So if you have any script, or you want to write any script and create any automated tool, so you need to use this Python notebook for this purpose. So we're going to back in analysis tab. This is the environment tab. Here you can search your environment, in which environment you are working, where your data are storing, which one is your database are connected still now, what is your project name, what are your workspaces, and geodatabase advanced features, maintain spatial index, and the global IDs. All are the discussed in this environment tab. Ready to use tools. If you are ready to use tools, you can see that this is the toolbox. If you want to search any tool, you can type here, such as I want to search a tool name as a merge. You can see that this is a merge tool is available here. You just simply input the data set and the output data is in which this is a tool. And this one is a pairwise buffer, and here you need to input the data and output locations. And this is a tool, this is a portal for future layer analysis, imaging, engineering data, sustainability modeler, visibility analysis and exploratory analysis, network analysis, geostatistical wizard, business analysis, data interpreter. These are the tools, are different type of the tools that are mostly uses in the field of the GIS. So these are tool all available here. For example, if you have any network dataset, you can use this tool, but still no any network dataset is available for this purpose. You need to create a network. Okay, first you need to create any network dataset, then you able to use this tool. So the next tab is about the view tab. Here you can see convert to 2D map, and this one is 3D map. This one is a global scene map. It is a simple 2D map, is a link between the maps and the reset panels. Catalog panel is opening from here. If you cross it and close, sorry. Okay, when you click here on catalog panel, it is open here. You can search your maps from here, datasets, databases, toolbox. All toolboxes available here. If you have any notebook available here, your dataset available here, then so on. This one is about to the content tab, catalog view tab. Open a new, provide assets to the items all available in this panel. This one is about to the geoprocessing, and this is about to the Python window tab is open here. When you click here, your Python window tab is just like it's open here. Here you need to enter your code. For example, I'm writing here to the print static this way you can write your code here. This one is a Python tab. Okay, the next is about to the geoprocessing tab. Here you need to search any tools. This is a Python window. This one is a aviation preference, shows the aviation preferences in view. The aviation preference led to the configures that controls and the behaviors of the several aviation tools. This one is the configuration of the indoor tabs, create tab, import tab, color vision stimulations, and so on. The labeling, data, graphics is active when you use it. Is these are all tabs. Okay, the next tab is about to the edit tab. Is one of the most important tab. So you need to understand this very clearly. The first is about to the typology. Map typology and the node typology. Do not use the typological editing. Maintain typological configuration. Okay, that status. This is the status about your typology. The layers that are loaded here in the editable layers are showing here 0. So this is the error inspector. If you have any error in your typology, it will inspect. Okay, so the next one is about you can see is that there the layers are selection. You can clear it, just click here and your selection will be cleared. Okay, this one is a select tab. Okay, simply select any layer and click on here, and it will be unselected. This is the create future tab, modify, and for example, I want to create a road from there to there. And click here, create future, then click here, then simply choose the line and start creating. You can see that I can create a one line here. In this way you can use this, it just updating. The next one is modify. If you want to modify any vector data, you can use this modify tab. These are all options available here: modify, rotate, scales, animations. Use all these options from there. Okay, the next one is about to the delete tab, unclear selection. This one is about to delete tab. These are the tools that are available in your modify tab. Also, these are all available here, such as the edit vertices. If you want to edit any vertex, you just need to select and go here, then click on edit vertices. These are the 3 vertices. If you want to edit anyone, then simply drag it. In this way you can edit your vertices. Okay, the next one is about ground to grid and the quality manager quality. This is the complete introduction of your edit tab. How to add future, edit your futures I am discussed. So this one is about the imagery tab. The last one is about the share tab. The 2 tabs are the remaining. In imagery tab, you can explore a new workspace. New workspace, add a workspace, import any workspace if it is available online. This one is about the georeferencing tab, the raster function tab. Here you need to see user use the raster function for processing and analysis. Change detection widget is by default available in a ArcGIS Pro. The classification tab and the classification tool. If you have any raster data, then you use this imagery tab mostly for georeferencing purpose and the image classification purpose. These are 2 mostly using in a remote sensing data, while this one is mostly using in a GIS based data. All these other tabs and these are the results tabs. The result will be displayed here, and these are other things. If you change detection are mostly using when you will perform any remote sensing based analysis, such as a land use land cover, monitor the health of the crops, and monitoring the pattern of the change in urban buildup. So this is the imagery tab. Then these are the process and the search any video. This one is a search tab, and the last one tab is here. Here we are going to project, map share. If you want to share any project, maps, map mobile, layers, you can just click here and share it with someone. This is the deep learning. It is basically AI integrated deep learning models that are here available. Okay, the next one is about to the web map layer, and this is the locator, then geodata services, web tools, and these are all the tabs that here you need to click here and the print your map, add your printer and select your printer and other settings, then simply click on print button. Your layout will be the printed. Okay, we're going here and click on layout. Okay, I'm going to select this layout. Copy this layer and paste here. Okay, these are the scales. If you want to add any scale, then simply click here. Your scale will be added. Okay, how to design your layout in ArcGIS Pro, we will discuss about in our upcoming videos. If you want to any pictures, then use this graphic tab here. Want to write anything. Okay, this is a circle